Hi friends, my name is Chaitanya Patke and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video I wanted to make for a long time, but unfortunately couldn't find the time. But now I have found time, so this was on the back of my mind and I wanted to get this off my chest. So it is a very good topic for me as well, and very emotional and touchy topic, you can say. There were some reports in March, when you remember, after the T20 series, Virat Kohli said that we are still looking to figure out the combination what will be for the T20 World Cup, which is going to take place on home soil in October this year. And he suggested that he didn't say it publicly, but he suggested that according to the BCCI officials, he had said that there has been some arrangement of playing T20 internationals to get into the groove naturally before the World Cup and figure out the team combination, what the best 11 will be, and then follow the processes accordingly. And at the same time, in March, there were some reports that the BCCI is looking to resume the bilateral ties, three T20 internationals which could take place in the UAE against Pakistan, the arch rival, the enemy. Now, I don't need to emphasize the importance of India and Pakistan games, the marquee rivalry of world cricket. As you know, India has stopped playing Pakistan regularly since the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks, but it still remains one of the pinnacle of world cricket. And even though in the western media they say that Ashes is the best between Australia and England, of course, and now India versus Australia has replaced Ashes also in the context of the greatest series in world cricket. But India versus Pakistan, emotions run high on both sides of the border. Almost 155 crore people, more than 155 to 160 crore people, their heart stops beating on this day. And I am, even though not playing, or beg your pardon for that, I am too excited for this video. And even though there are no currently India Pakistan matches, but the thought only provokes great excitement and adrenaline rush which is second to none. We know that we have a pretty bloody history between the two countries, the partitions, the three wars which took place, and the lingering issue of Kashmir. So these three factors make so what you call in Hindi मसाला डालते हैं इस फैक्टर में, मैचेस में. एंड आफ्टर 2000 till 2000 Pakistan dominated India in all the formats, that is T20 were not played till then, ODIs and Test cricket. But since Saurav Ganguly took over the captaincy of Team India in 2000, he changed the outlook towards it, changed the outlook of whole Indian cricket, and India started dominating Pakistan from the stretch of 2000 to 2008. Most of the matches were won by India, not single-handedly, of course, but in the rivalry, upper hand was of India's, as was in the case the previous century. So I think the purpose I'm making this video is it might surprise you a bit, but I don't want to play Pakistan in the near future, because as a cricket fan it is very disappointing for me as well. But we have to respect the wishes of the central government, and we shouldn't play Pakistan, because quite frankly, in the world stage or big stage, BCCI is the most powerful organization. Even ICC knows it. Most of the cricket board knows it, including the English and Australian cricket boards, that BCCI is the main source of money. And that some time ago on the border, ceasefire has been announced. So there has been some approaches of reconciliation from Pakistan towards India due to their economic distress. But I think, going by the past experiences, we shouldn't commit that mistake, because if we resume bilateral series, then unfortunately the neighboring country will show its true colors on the border, and such things will not stop, and they don't stop. And every time the relations, India has taken forward steps to improve relations, and unfortunately have been backstabbed either by the military establishment in Pakistan or the government there, which is of course a proxy of the military, as we all know. So hundreds of soldiers have died every year. So we do not play. So I think if we play Pakistan, then it is quite frankly, I'm blunt, I'm sorry, it is hypocrisy, because soldiers are dying and we are playing cricket. So this kind of hypocrisy shouldn't be continued by India, and I expect we should cut off all bilateral ties with them. And if they improve, because there has been some internal resistance to Imran Khan's government as well in Pakistan of their decision to mend ties with India, so we cannot see the news of our soldiers unfortunately getting martyred and the same time we playing cricket with Pakistan. This kind of double standards is expected from that side, that we reciprocate in the form of commentators, we reciprocate in the form of umpires, that the players should be allowed in IPL, we should mend bilateral ties, India should play us this and that, blah and blah. So I'm very much against of this. As a cricket fan, this might shock you, but we should only play in bilateral tournaments. And as I had emphasized earlier in the video, India doesn't need Pakistan, Pakistan needs India. But due to their past experiences, we should say that we should not play any other team. As you know that if you watch my previous videos, India is going to tour Sri Lanka, of course not the main side, the main side is going to take place in England, so there are going to be 3 T20s there. This sort of match practice can be arranged against any board by BCCI because of its clout, so no need to play Pakistan, no need to encourage Pakistan cricket, and of course I think we should not play them till the condition is mended between both the nations, and that clearly depends on Pakistan, the Pakistani army, that is. But that is not my topic and not our content on this channel, but that is the truth. So once again I am saying, it might disappoint you, but we should never play Pakistan, at least till some years. So this was my video, and this was more view on this topic. So please tell in the comment section below how did you like my views, and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Till then, everyone stay home, stay safe, take care, bye, and we will meet in the Marathi analysis on the same topic in the next video. So Tata.